Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about the Roman numerals. Roman already we learned the Indian system of numerals and international system of numerals. Okay. Now see the Roman numerals. It is one of the oldest numerals system. Okay. It was developed by Romans. Still we are using the Roman numbers, and in this system has 7 basic symbols. 7 basic symbols are followed, okay, and then it has 7 basic symbols. In Roman numbers there is no zeros. In Roman numbers there is no zeros and no concept of place value. Place value, okay. Now see the basic symbols of Roman numerals. System has 7 basic symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, it refers in a Indian system of numbers is 1. I refers to 1, 5, V refers to 5, X refers to 10, and L refers to 50, C refers to 100, D refers to 500, and M refers to 1000. Okay, so for here use some rules. Here use some rules. The rule number 1, placing a symbol after a symbol of bigger value means adding the value of the symbol. That means here one of the Roman letter is given here. Already you know that it is 11, is it? So what is the value of X? 10. So first letter is bigger letter, is it? Bigger value. What we do, that meaning is adding the value of the symbol. So next one value is 1. I value means 1. So value is 11. Okay. And next one of the example, L, X, X, V, I is given. So what is the value of L? L is 15. And X value is 10. And next one also 10. And V value is 5 and I value is 1. Add this total value of the given Roman letter is 50 plus 60, 70, 70 plus 6, 76. 76. The Roman letter value is 76. So what is the rule number 1? The bigger value, after come to the smaller value you can add, that's all. Roman system la listen panama, bigger value ku aduthathu smaller value vanduchina we can add. Okay. Next one of the rule, the placing the symbol before a symbol of bigger value means subtracting the value of the first symbol from that the second one. First symbol from that the second one. That is one of the example. X means 10. Here L. L is the largest value, is it? Largest or smallest? Largest value. L value was 50. X value was 10. So first one is smaller value come. What we do? First preference to the biggest value. Biggest value is here 50. So L is 50. L refers to 50. Subtracted. The rule number 2. Subtracted by, what is the value of X? 10. So 50 minus 10, 14. In this place, you should divide the, in this place, you should subtract the value from the bigger value to smaller value. Okay. And next one, x is given. X means 10. Here next one, C. C is a centum, 100. Hundreds. 100 is the greatest value compared with the first one of the value. So, subtract in this place. Subtracted in this place. So, 100 minus, what is the first one? 10. And next one is smallest one. Okay. Smallest one is 5. So, 100 minus 10 is 90 plus 5, 95. Okay. I hope you are understanding rule number 1 and rule number 2. Rule number 1, the smaller value come after the bigger value, we can add. Rule number 2, the second value is larger value compared with the first value, you should subtract in this place. That is all in the first 2 rules. Now see the rule number 3. A symbol can be represented a maximum of 3 times in the numerals. So see the example. Here 3 times repeated the value of numerals I. Okay. So maximum repetition is allowed for 3 times only. Okay. So x value means 10 plus I means 1, next one I, next one. So total value of the given numeral value is 13. Okay. And next one here L. L is value 50. Next x value is 10, 10, 10. Add the Indian numerals 18. Okay. So next rule number 4, if a symbol of a smaller value comes in between 2 symbols of the larger value. So L is a value is 50. Okay. Here next one is 10. Here 10 and next one is smaller value is will come. Okay. So if a symbol of smaller value comes in between 2 symbols of the larger values. So here one of the larger value, here also one of the larger value. So here is 10, here is 1. In between very smallest number I is come. Okay. So in this place we have used the rule number 4. Then its value is always subtracted from the value of the symbol. So in the place la irundhu idu enna chenjano subtract panninum. Here this one is biggest value. In between of what is rule 4, the smaller value comes between 2 symbols of the largest value. Here 2 largest values are 10 and 5. In between which number is there? 1. So in this place only you want to subtract. Okay. So what is the value of L? 15. X value is 10. Then add 10 next one. And in this place subtracted. Okay. In this place subtract from 5 minus 1. Which one is largest value? 5. V means 5. Okay. I means 1. So subtracted from the largest value. So 5 minus 1. So 50 plus 10, 60, 70, 5 minus 1. 70 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. So answer is in Indian system of 74. And next here also 2 largest number between the number I is came. Okay. So in this place write first largest number 10. Okay. Second one of the smallest number is value of I is 1. So in this place subtract from this highest value. So 10 minus 1. So x value is 10, the smallest value I means 1. So subtract from these 2 values we get 10 plus 9. So 19 is the answer. Okay. I hope understand the rule number 3 and 4. What is the rule number 3? Symbol can be repeated maximum of 3 times. Maximum of 3 times. It is accepted in the Roman numerals. And then rule number 4, the smaller value comes in between 2 symbols of largest value. So that time subtracted from the value of the symbol. Okay. I hope you all understand the rule number 1 to 4. Here follow some notes, hints for the Roman numerals. Some rules are followed for writing the numerals. So, first rule, I can be subtracted from x and v only. Okay. So, other letters not possible to subtract it. Okay. And next one, x can be subtracted from L and C only. And third one, C can be subtracted from D and M only. Okay. Fourth one, the V, L and D can never be subtracted. Okay. So, which are the letters are cannot be subtract? V, L, D. Okay. And then fifth one of the rule, a symbol of a smaller value, the symbol of a smaller value can be subtracted from the symbol of the greater value just once only. Okay. So, for example, 4 is given, just one time only, 5 minus 1. So, just one time only you can subtract it from the smaller value. Okay. I hope you all understand the Roman numerals. So, I refers to 1, V refers to 5, X refers to 10, L refers to 50, C refers to 100, D refers to 500, M refers to 1000. So, first rule is bigger value. So, bigger letter from the numerals. Come to the next one, is smaller value we can add, and next second rule, the smaller value come before of the biggest value subtracted in that place. And third one of the rule, the repeated Roman letter maximum number of Roman letters allowed for 3 times. And fourth one, so the fourth one we have 2 greatest value between one smallest value. What we do? Subtracted from this value, subtracted from this value. Okay. So, that is a fourth rule. After, here some rules for writing. I can be subtracted from the x and v only, and x can be subtracted from L and C only, and C can be subtracted from D and M only, and V, L and D can never be subtracted, A symbol of the smaller value can be subtracted from the symbol of a greater value just once only. Okay. Okay. Next, now see the exercise 0.3. The first one, write the Roman numerals for each of the following. So, first one, (27) is given. So, it can written in how many tens in 27? First write a split form. Split form means write in expanded form. 27 write in 10 plus 10 plus 7 can be written as 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. So, what is the Roman letter of 10? X. Here X. Here 5 value is V, I. So, form of Roman letter is X, X, V, I. The Roman numeral for 27 is XXV, I, and B 64 is given. Okay. So, 64 can written as 50 plus 10, 60 plus 4. How can you write 4? 5 subtracted 1. Okay. So, 5 value was 5 subtracted 1, and then 50 value is denoted L. 10x is 5 minus 1, 4. 4 can be written as 5. First write 5 So subtracted previous one, so I. Okay, so it can written L X I V. So 64 can be written in the form of Roman letter as L X I V. And C 617. So nearest 600 500. After 100 added 600. What are the remaining elements? 10. Then 5 plus 2. Okay. Now write in the Roman letters. So 500 is D. And C 10 means X, 5 V, 2 I's. So 617 can written in the form of Roman numeral is D C X V I I. Okay, and D 45. 45 written in 50 minus 10 40 after added the 5. Okay, so 50 minus 10 40 added with 5, so we get the 45. So 50 L subtracted, so smallest number come before of the largest number, subtracted 10. So XL added with 5 V. Okay, I hope you are understand, because E problem is homework. And next second one, write the following Roman numerals as a Hindu-Arabic numerals. So Roman numerals are given, write in the Hindu-Arabic. Okay, so first one, L X X 3 times are repeated is allowed. Okay, is given. So L 50 plus X value is 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 3 times I are given. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. Added 60, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 81, 82, 83. So value was 83. And then B, X, C, V. Here largest value come after the smallest value. So in this place you want to subtract. So C means 100. So 100, X means 10, minus 10, added the V. V value was 5. So 100 minus 10 is 90, plus 5, 95 is the answer for the Hindu-Arabic value of X, C, V. Okay. And C problem, C, D, L, X, V. Okay. So C centum, D 500. So here the greatest value come after the smallest value. So in this place we want to subtract here. We have to subtract. So first value 500 minus 100. C value is 100, and next one of the value is L means 50 plus X value is 10 plus V value is 5. So 500 minus 100, 400 plus 50 plus 15, added these values 465. So Hindu-Arabic value for the Roman numeral C, D, L, X, V is 465. Okay. And D and E are homework. And third one, classify the following numbers as meaningful and or meaningless. So, just write the meaningful or meaningless. So, first one LVII. So, L is value is 50, V is 5, II 1 plus 1. So, what is the value? 55, 57. So, its value. So, it is meaningful. So, it is meaningful. Here follow the rules, okay. Here follow the rules. VXVII is given, okay. Here first one the smallest value 5 and second one largest value of 10 will come, okay. So, in this place the rule x can be subtracted from L and C, okay. X வந்து என்ன செய்ய முடியாது, எதிலிருந்து சப்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது, Lலையும் Cலையும் மட்டும்தான் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடியும், Vல என்ன செய்ய முடியாது, சப்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. X can be subtracted from only L and C. Here V is given, so it's not possible. So, write the reason here and it's meaningless, okay. So, write in this place the rule number 2, x can be subtracted from L and C only. So, therefore, it is meaningless. C1 CL XX is given. How many times are x are there? 4 times. The maximum number of Roman letter allowed in 3 times only. So, it is wrong. So, here write the reason. Repeated a maximum of exercise 1.3 first E problem, second D and E, fourth C. Next okay, homework exercise 1.3, these problems and worksheet 1 and 2 fully completed except word problem. Okay, thank you students.